What are you doing, Tiff?
So do you know why we can't trust burritos?
Why?
Because they tend to spill the beans. How many Mexicans does it take to eat the world's largest burrito? Just one. What do you call cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese. What does a depressed tortilla say? I don't want to taco about it.
I thought we were doing burrito jokes.
God damn it. What do you call a cat in a blanket? A burrito. Oh my god. What do you call a baby donkey?
What?
A burrito.
I don't get it.
You know what? I don't get it too. You know? I don't get it. What do you call a cat wrapped in a blanket? In a blanket.